My Rabaconda tire changer came today and I thought I'd show you the unboxing video. I got two of these drop center tools along with the grease or the lubricant for the tires and a little brush to put on it. Now I'll need two of these tools in order to do the Honda Goldwing tires. So let's get on with the unboxing. Drum roll, please. Got our operation manual. Looks like a nice bag to put it in. So kind of like a nice big gym bag that it can be put in and stored away in. Okay, here we have the first part. This appears to be bead breaker. So there's, I believe this is going to be the part that breaks the bead if I'm correct. Here we have a long support. Some more pieces. Couple more boxes with parts in them. This is the mounting head, and these are the plastic parts that fit down underneath the tire and help guide the tire onto the rim. So there's what that looks like. Some more little parts. I'm not sure where all these go just yet. And some more bars. Plastic bar. These look like tire irons. Yeah, these are just some long tire irons. And that's probably a spindle that holds the rim on, I suspect. So I also notice they give you this black sleeve that appears to be just the right size to fit a tire tool into. So you can have a tire tool that's got a nice plastic or nylon type tip so you won't damage your rim using the tire tool. That's a great idea. So there's the entire kit unboxed and laid out. I find it interesting that it will all fit in that gym bag, which makes it actually very nice and portable. So we'll see how this goes. I'll start assembling it and get it together and we'll take a look at it. So they provide you some nice instructions, a nice little booklet, and they've got a nice photo here that shows how these parts all go together and how it gets assembled. So I'm going to begin that process. So it looks pretty simple. I'm going to start by releasing the clamp and unfolding this main leg, and then I'm going to take the base leg, which is this long piece, and I'm just going to guide the main leg into it. I'm just going to screw in this clamp that holds it in place, and then I'm going to attach this magnetic wheel clamp, I guess they call it, and that's just magnetic, just fits right there. Next, I take this long center spindle and I just screw it in, and that's what your rim is going to mount on. And the other wheel support, magnetic wheel support, goes right there. And now we're going to attach this L-shaped bracket to the top for the bead breaker, and this just slides into the top like that. And then we screw in another one of these quick release levers. So that allows you to set the height of this where you need it, and then you just screw it in and tighten it. This long green lever is called the operating lever. It's for the bead breaker tool, and it simply gets installed into the receptacle. You turn this lever so the channel lines up with the screw in the top, slide it in and turn it. So this little stepper tool, stepped bushing, goes over that center spindle, and that's for the wheel when you put the wheel on it. This bar is your blocking tool to keep the rim from rotating, and it will fit in one of those 3 holes depending on the size of the rim and the wheel that you're working with. And then this big head, the duck head or the mounting head, whatever they call it, slides down over this bar. So there's a hole in it, the center of this bar, and the head goes down, and that will slide over this bar. So there it is, all assembled. That took me probably less than 2 minutes, and that was my first time. I really like the fact that this thing comes apart and goes together so easily for storage. I like the fact that it stands on its own tripod design. I don't have to drill holes in the floor to mount it to anything. Anywhere I have a level surface, basically, I can change tires with this, and it's highly portable, so it appears to be very sturdy and well made from what I can see. So I guess the next test will be to start changing some tires with it and see how well it actually works. But so far I'm liking what I see.